So we are close to the release of the Nike Air Jordan 34, and I have to make a decision on which pair of the Air Jordan 33 that I like the most and which pair I think deserve for me to purchase. So I love bread. I love the red and black shoes. I fucks with them heavy. If you were to see my collection of red and black shoes, you would probably trip out. But let's do an unboxing of the Nike Air Jordan 33 University Red. So here's the box, here's the knife, let's cut her open. Saw a lot of people doing this, but it's not enough reviews on it, and a lot of people didn't do it right. So fresh out the box, you can see engineered for flight. Get that out of the way. Right here, you can tell engineered for flight. It's all around the box. Right here, size 10.5 Air Jordan 33. Real big box, way bigger than what you could imagine. So let's open it up. On the inside, gotta love that. Put that right there. Looking at that Jordan logo, and you got the foil that everybody was talking about. Keeps them fresh. They gave me a lot of it. So, and here you have your little instruction packet on how to do the fast fit technology. It says designed and engineered to the exact specifications for flight for people that probably have problems with using it. So as you can see, these are the University Red Air Jordan 33s. Let's take them out. I'm loving this shoe. When I first saw it, I knew I would have to get a pair, and for various reasons. Because these shoes remind me so much of the Bulls, Chicago Bulls. That colorway is just killer, and it reminds me of the Bulls in every sense. Now, we're gonna talk a little bit about the Air Jordan 33. Just here, so you can get a real good close-up view of it. So, the Air Jordan 33 is the rare model today. Everybody seems to hoop in, and then you got people that use these shoes for lifestyle. So it combines high-tech performance with a healthy dose of overbearing casual style. Now, most of his early releases have been geared more towards the court than the street. Understandably, as they are a basketball shoe first and foremost, and now an almost all red colorway, complete with new patterns that seems to equally geared towards both arenas, has surfaced using a powerful red for the base. Look at that, that's all red, my friend. As well as using red on the tongue. So these Jordan 33s has a quilted red leather tongue. This is leather right here on the heel. That's leather. And the forefoot for pop style right here. Meanwhile, a black elephant print appears on the heel, like right up in here, overlaid to provide an interesting mix of contrast and material texture. The flight speed lacing system is also done in red and black, which is right here. And the shoe is then competed by bold branding hits on the tongue and heel. There's the Jordan logo. There's the Nike logo, Nike Air with the swoosh. And you know, these are actually 33 symbols. So I have to admit, this colorway, in my opinion, is the best. And I know a lot of people like a lot of different colorways of the Jordan 33, but I couldn't just pass up on this because, people, I love bread. And on the bottom you can see that's the fast fit technology. It's like a little clock system. When you pull it up, you can tell that you're using it because it will click. You can hear me clicking it. It goes up to like 20 times, and you can see these strings here will actually tighten up once you're pulling it. So you get like 20 clicks on that, and it's very easy to use and simple. They even give you the instructions, and while you're pulling it, you could see it get tight from looking on the bottom from the fast fit technology. And also you have here the pull tabs that can help you get in and out of the shoe. The booty lace, and also right here, can't forget this, there's a strap to strap you in once you're laced in, and they help get you out when you're ready to get out. So I'm just in love with this shoe. And I mess with it real heavy. I mess with red real heavy. I knew I was probably going to get these regardless of what anybody said about them. Loving that elephant print, see that sparkle. So on the back, you also have a nice little design in the middle. But overall, man, you know I gotta do this. I don't care. They brand new, so right here, you got the AJ33. Jordan logo is also in there. So, if you can see it, but yeah, it's in there, buddy. There you go. So I don't care what nobody say. These are my favorite pair of Jordans. Just wanted to show you that retail. These are retailed at $175, but you probably can find them online, if you can find them online, because they sell out a lot of these shoes for a whole lot cheaper or a whole lot more. But we know what time it is. It's time for the On Feet. So people, get ready. It's about to get real in the field. Stay tuned.